Blutbart.
Hello and welcome back to another behind the scenes toy photography video. This week I'm going to show you how to make use of a broken bed support. I call this shot 3/27th Star Corps 2. I recently rearranged my studio in an attempt to make the space more versatile and usable, and this is the very first shot I've taken since. I have a bit more room to maneuver now, so I decided to create a larger scale shot to take advantage of that. I also recently broke the support beam on my bed frame, which I thought looked like a bridge, so I took the opportunity to create my own bridge showdown scene, inspired by the likes of Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom and Metal Gear Solid 3 Snake Eater. After supporting the beam on either side with a cinder block, I placed my heroes in the center of the shot. Then I positioned my background TV behind them with an aerial shot of the Grand Canyon. My subjects had big broad feet and stood nice and stable on my bridge, but my Battle Droid toys don't stand up well without support, so I used some very small magnets as peg stands to keep them balanced. I have 14 B1 Battle Droid figures, most of which I got on clearance, and I used all but one of them for this shot. I considered adding some B2s, but they were a little too bulky to fit comfortably on my bridge. I also wanted to have a few droids falling off the bridge, so I used a couple of traditional plastic figure stands to suspend them in the air. Finally, I added a small blue spotlight to simulate the lightsaber glow from my Jedi. Here's my starting image. I wanted to make a considerable number of edits to this shot, so I'll just run you through them at light speed. After adding my standard layer adjustments, I used the healing brush tool and content aware fill to remove all the articulation joints on my subjects. Next, I used the same technique to edit out the plastic figure stands under my falling droids. Following that, I used the pen tool, brush tool, and layer effects to draw in the lightsaber blade. Using some custom brushes, I added sparks, muzzle flare, and smoke to create some action in the scene. And finally, I drew in a few blaster bolts. So once again, here's my starting image. And here's where I ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and make sure to check me out on Instagram. Thanks, and until next time.